Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to go to turn off the new mail notification sound for Apple Mail on your Mac. First, we'll turn off the sounds inside of the Mail app itself, and then after that, we'll turn off the system notifications and badges as well. So we know what we're talking about. Here's an example. By default, this sound is enabled. With Apple Mail open, select Mail from the top left menu bar and then choose Preferences. Make sure that you're on the General tab, and near the top you'll see New Messages sound. Choose the drop-down here to the right and then change this to None. You can even go a step further and uncheck Play Sounds for other mail actions if you want. Apple Mail will no longer play sound notifications every time you receive a new email. You can then close Preferences and continue with your emails. The next thing we can do is turn off mail notifications and badges from the system level. To do this, hide or close Mail and then open System Preferences. You can either choose it from the dock if you have it here at the bottom, or choose the Apple icon on the top left and open it from here. From the main menu, choose Notifications and Focus. On the left, scroll down and then choose Mail. Now on the right at the top, you can turn on or off all mail notifications. If you want to receive some notifications, for instance, turning off the mail alert banner that appears on the top right of your screen, but keeping the red number badge on the bottom in the dock, you can set that up here. Once you've made your choices, go ahead and then close System Preferences. And that's how you turn off the new email sound and notifications for Apple Mail on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.